In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at three methods of a string which are came in ES6. So the first one that we want to cover here is a method called a startwith. What the startwith is going to do, startwith is going to search for a specific character if that character exists at the first of the string that we are searching for. So let's see its syntax. There should be a string that we can call the startwith method. If there was the string, we can call the startwith method, and inside the startwith method we have two parameters. The first one is what you are searching for, and the second one is optional. And the second one is going to tell that from which position you wanted to start searching. So let's see a real example. I declare a variable called str, and here I'm gonna pass this as me. Now we wanted to search in this string if this string is started with this. So I declare another const called searching and assign it to the str dot, and we're gonna call the start with a start with method. Now inside this we're gonna search for the this. Now if I came here and say console.log and pass searching here, save it in the console, you see through cause this string, which is str here, is a star with this that we pass in the parameter in the arguments of the star with method. So we also I told you about that we also have the second parameter, which is optional. For example, we want to search from the character after the character 5. Now we want to search if after the character 5 is started with is. Now in the console you see true, but for example if I came here and passed me here, you see that we have false. So this was from the start with, and we're gonna dive in end with. What the end with is going to do, may you guess it, it's going to search for a specific character if that string is ended up with that specific character that we're gonna pass at the end at the parameter of the end with. Now let me declare a variable called str and assign it to the this is me again. Now we wanted to declare another variable. I should pass the const, but I've declared using let. It's okay. Now we wanted to point out to the endsWith method, and in this endsWith method, for example, I'm gonna pass 8. Now if I came here and say console.log, we can see the result and pass the searching here and save it in the console. You see that we get false because this specific string is not ended up with 8 character or 8. So now for example, if I came here and passed the me, for example e, now if I save it in the console, you see that we get true. And also this one has an optional parameter, tell which character you wanted to match. I don't want to test it, you understand. So the third one is a method called includes. What the includes method is going to do, includes method is going to search if a specific character exists in an string. So let me declare an str and assign it to welcome to Joyler. Now it's the first time that I mentioned Joyler in my channel. So and we wanted to search for a specific character in this string. So I declare the const again, and we're gonna pass its name as a searching, and we're gonna assign it to the str dot includes. And as I told you about the includes method, is going to search for a specific character in a string. So for example, here we wanted to search for the 2. Now if I came here and say console.log, can you guess it what will happen? Of course true, because we have the 2 exists in this string. Now if I save it in a console, we get 2. And this is also have an optional parameter that it declares from which position you wanted to start the searching. Now if I came here, for example, if I pass 10 or 15. Now if I save it in a console, we get false, even though we have the 2 in this string, but it is before the 10 character. Now if you count, this character is less than, this character index is less than 15. So this was from the start and includes method, and I hope you enjoy, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.